My phonic dictionary.
Chew. Chew. Watch. Cheese. Cherries. Watch. Watch. Cheese. Cheese. Cherries. Cherries. Chessboard. Chessboard. Hatch. Hatch. Furniture. Furniture. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Chalk. Chalk. Picture. Picture. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chick. Chick. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Children. Children.
A set of furniture, table, and chair kept in the kitchen for the children to eat with ease. Chow mein and cheese. Let's rhyme and shine.
Watch. Tick-tock goes the little watch. It tells the time, just like a clock. Wear it on your wrist so tight, it helps you know day from night. Chessboard. On the chessboard, black and white, the pieces march, ready to fight. Kings and queens, knights in rows, a game of thinking where strategy grows.
Cheese. A slice of cheese so yellow and bright melts on my toast, a tasty delight. Add it to a sandwich or a little snack. Cheese is yummy, that's a fact. Cherries. Cherries red, so juicy and sweet. A perfect snack that's fun to eat. Pop them in your mouth one by one. A handful of cherries is so much fun. Furniture. In the room, there's lots of furniture. A comfy couch and chairs for sure. A table where we sit and eat, with cozy cushions for our feet. Hatch. We found a hatch beneath the floor. It creaked and opened like a door. What could be inside? What might we see? A world of wonder. Come follow me. Chimpanzee. A chimpanzee swings from tree to tree, so full of energy, wild and free. He loves to play and climb so high. With a cheeky grin, he waves goodbye. Children. The children laugh and run around, playing games without a sound. Their smiles are bright, their joy is clear. Every day brings fun and cheer. Chopsticks. With chopsticks in hand, I try to eat. Grabbing noodles is quite a feat. It's tricky at first, but fun to do. Soon I'm picking up veggies too. Picture. A picture on the wall so tall shows a forest with trees so small. It tells a story. Can you see? What adventures could there be? Chocolate cake. A chocolate cake so rich and sweet is the perfect treat for us to eat. With sprinkles on top and frosting thick. 1 bite, 2 bites, it's gone so quick. Chick. A tiny chick so soft and round, peeping quietly, making a sound. It follows along where the others go, growing up fast but still so slow.
Time to test your knowledge.
What ticks and talks, both day and night, and helps you know the time just right?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct answer. It's a watch you wear on your hand. To know the time, it's really grand.
What has squares in black and white, where kings and queens get ready to fight?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct answer. It's a chessboard, ready to play. A game of thinking every day.
What's soft and yellow, melts on bread, a tasty treat that fills your head?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct answer. It's cheese, so creamy and bright. For sandwiches or snacks, it's just right. Hi friends, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning and exciting adventures. See you in the next video.